HIROTEC America is a provider of weld assembly equipment for the automotive industry, working with Ford, FCA, GM, Honda, Toyota. We have a goal of 24/7 production. No lights, no operators. Spare parts is one area that I thought we could actually go out and try to achieve this. The current process that we're using auto to replace is a manual process to create black oxide on small parts to provide a corrosion-resistant surface.
Currently, auto is being used as material transport from station to station. At each one of those stations, we have a dual-arm robot on top that's performing various tasks in the black oxide process. Being that auto is a robot, it's going to do the same thing exactly the same way every time. We're seeing much more consistent parts at the end of the process. The real difficulty with doing the black oxide process manually was process timing. The operators of the black oxide process were just whoever was free from the machine shop. There really was no dead set operator, so it frees them up to do much more value-added tasks.
Based on the results that we're seeing to date and further testing, we truly believe that we have operations around the globe that would be interested in seeing how they can implement it in for part movement, part setup, part transfer from cell to cell. I think there's a very good opportunity for that to happen.
Auto was up and running around our facility within a day. In less than a week, we had it running around between our different stations. We wouldn't have to change any of the infrastructure of our buildings to get auto to work. There's no tape that we need to put down on the floor. There's no hard set paths that it'll follow like a traditional HGV. The automotive support team has been very helpful with any issues that may come up.
After the first implementation, the auto team was actually capable of logging into our system and looking at what we might be having problems with. Based on that, they were able to go back and generate some new code and make improvements. HIROTEC's always looking forward to what's the next technology that's going to take over the industry. Using the auto platform with the robot tied to it is providing us the opportunity to test and prepare future systems to meet our goals of zero operators for spare parts.